video is purely for examination riffs. I have done a series of variation riffs progressing, going from 1 to 12. But as I explain in those, different exam associations have their own style of riffs that you have to show when taking an exam. They are not part of my variation progressive riffs that add one thing on to the beginning each time you make the next number. So this video is purely for exam purposes. So the first riff that you can show in exams are 3 beats. 3 beat riff for exams. Brush forward, heel dig and ball beat. Again. Brush forward, heel dig, ball beat. Brush forward, heel dig, ball beat. And again. Brush, heel, ball, brush, heel, ball, brush, heel, ball. Try and get them fast and continue. Brush, heel, ball, brush, heel, ball, brush, heel, ball. So those are the 3 beat riffs that most exam associations will use. Check with your teacher, there may be other associations that make a different one, but this is most of the exam boards use that for 3 beat riff, which you will see is completely different from my video of progressive variation of riffs that go up to 12. These style riffs for exams do not go up very high in number.